Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Audio channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to add bio or biography on Reader for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the story. First, we go to Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. And after that, you can go to the symbol of the profile in the upper of the left corner, and you go to the profile. Okay, how to add the bio? You can click the set up profile, click on skip for now, and this is your bio. Okay, type here for your bio. And if you're done, you can click next in the bottom. Click on the next, and next again, and skip for now. Okay, my profile is updated. You can see the profile. Click on the see profile, and the bio is add for you. Okay, it's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to add bio on Reader for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.